Richard, thanks for being with us today. I know the valuation has come down, but it still trades at a much higher premium to to hotels and OTAs. So how do you justify an even greater premium?
Yeah, I think part of that is the swim lane it's in. You know, vacation rentals for us is the fastest developing part of travel. And it's the market share leader in that. It can continue to gain share in that position. That will continue to gain share of lodging. And then it's the platform value. Airbnb is already the most profitable online travel company on headline numbers. That's because it doesn't need to spend much on marketing, and that gives it opportunities to sell more than it already does. And we think they will continue to push selling longer stays, hotels, experiences, etc. That will provide further upside.
Right, and it feels like that platform value or the brand is already baked into the valuation because it does command a higher premium. I wonder, before the pandemic, Airbnb was looking to actually create and build and operate its own hotels. They were starting to go into that space. They abandoned it during the pandemic. Whenever I talk to Brian Chesky, I ask him where those ambitions went, if they're going to go back. He says no. What do you think? Should Airbnb be doing more with its leading position, more with the data that it's collecting? Is it missing an opportunity here in the long term?
Look, it should do more, and I think they correctly paused stuff in 2020 when the pandemic hit, and they've had to focus on their core business. And I think they will do more, and they'll sell more to their loyal customers going forward, and they'll probably sell more to the hosts.
You said the word pause, but I think that's what I'm taking issue with. They didn't pause it. They seem to have abandoned it. Are you seeing anything that tells you that they've paused those ambitions?
Some stuff was paused, some stuff was abandoned. So the stuff that was paused was things like experiences, selling hotels, some of the property management software they were going to put in. That stuff will come back. I fully agree. Anything that was kind of asset heavy, which is not popular in the market, I don't think they'll bring anything like that back. China obviously was ambition, that stepped away. But there are other ambitions that can be largely incremental that they can now begin to do. And Brian Chesky has been talking about reigniting the opportunities in experiences going forward. Now they're emerging from the pandemic.
Well, one of the lines that stood out in your report was that the monster TAM is real and that they're only scratching the surface of adjacent markets. I wonder if you can get more specific on that.
Yeah, I mean, so I would say that by our maths, the TAM on vacation rentals, short-term vacation rentals, about 150 billion. It's probably a little bit bigger. It's bigger than Airbnb set out at their IPO by about 50%, but we think it's bigger. But hotels is over 700 billion. Longer-term stays between 1 and 12 months is probably about 200 billion. Experiences is somewhere between 140 and 240 billion. There are much bigger addressable markets out there, and I think there's little reason, given their platform value, given their loyal customers, that Airbnb can't become a meaningful player selling some of those incremental opportunities.